Welcome traders and investors. My name's Nandis. I'm from Dalrymple Trading. Today is Wednesday, the 27th of August, 2025. Going to be going through an analysis of the S&P 500 and WTI crude oil. Jumping straight into the S&P, what we saw was a bounce from that support level the price had dipped into, and we saw a push up. So as I mentioned earlier in my previous videos, we are in a major bull uptrend. Okay, so we saw a correction from middle of August to the 22nd of August. And then last Friday, we saw this large price jump, gap up, and then keep going higher. Then we saw a correction, small one, and then we saw prices push higher. So the strategy behind this is to basically look for any buying opportunities with the right risk to reward ratio. Just keeping in mind, we will be breaking all-time highs if we push above the 6,500 level. So yes, we will hit some resistance at that level, but if we can push through, we will be pushing much further upwards towards new price discovery. Looking at WTI crude oil, what we saw was basically a breakdown of that immediate bullish structure that we had. So at about 64,447, we saw prices break down and then reach a support level of 63,105. So prices are once again looking to push up higher. Now looking at this particular trend, it is still a bullish trend. There's no indication to show that we need to change our bias in terms of where the trend is taking us. This is a significant correction in the scheme of this trend, but with that said, we may be looking to push prices higher. If this support does break, then definitely we could look at more of a change of direction of overall short-term to medium-term trend. Keeping in mind context as well, we've seen a large, significant correction in prices since July this year. Then we sort of bottomed out here and sort of went sideways, and then we went up, and then we saw that correction. The question is then, are we going to push higher up to this $66 level, or are we going to go back to the base of the range at 61.50? So that's what we're working on with this week. Yet to see how it plays out. My view on this at the moment, it's still bullish, despite the fact that it has retracted a fair bit from that high. So yet to see how it plays out. I'm looking to buy into this when there's a proper opportunity with risk to reward. If you want to learn more about the way I trade or my insights, or you want to get mentored, please book in a free obligation-free session just to see if you're interested in what I got to share with you. So that's always on my website, www.dalrympletrading.com. Head over there and click in for an obligation-free quote.